1.1 Being a good citizen. Being a good citizen involves actively contributing to the well being of society through responsible behavior, empathy, and ethical practices. In today's interconnected world, good citizenship has two dimensions: participating in real world communities and practicing responsible behavior in the digital space. Responsibilities of a good citizen. Good citizens uphold principles such as respect, fairness, and honesty. They follow rules and laws, participate in community activities, and respect the environment by adopting eco friendly practices. Helping others, volunteering for social causes, and being compassionate are essential qualities of a good citizen. In addition to these traditional values, digital citizenship is increasingly important. Being a good digital citizen means understanding and practicing safe, ethical, and positive behavior online. Practices of digital citizenship. A key aspect of being a good digital citizen is cyber safety. This includes using strong passwords, avoiding suspicious links, and keeping personal information private. Ethical behavior online involves respecting intellectual property, giving credit to content creators, and not engaging in plagiarism or spreading misinformation. Managing your digital footprint is also vital. Everything shared online leaves a permanent record, so it is crucial to think before posting. Sharing meaningful, positive content and refraining from harmful or offensive language contributes to a healthy online environment. Promoting positivity and responsibility. Good digital citizens actively promote positivity in their online communities. This could mean sharing educational or inspiring posts, standing against cyberbullying, and supporting those who face harassment. Verifying information before sharing ensures that misinformation does not spread. Reporting harmful content or behavior is another way to contribute to safer digital spaces. The link between real-world and digital citizenship, good citizenship, whether in real life or online, is rooted in core values such as empathy, accountability, and integrity. The actions of individuals, whether helping a neighbor or creating a safe online space, collectively shape a better community for everyone. Being a good citizen is about making conscious choices that positively impact society, both in the physical world and the digital one. By practicing respect, responsibility, and ethical behavior, you contribute to a better and more harmonious world for everyone. Remember, every action counts and good citizenship starts with you. 1.2 Digital footprints. In the digital world, every action we take online leaves a trace, known as a digital footprint. This includes the websites we visit, the posts we share, the messages we send, and even the photos we like. Understanding digital footprints is essential for every digital citizen, especially in today's technology-driven age. Types of digital footprints. Digital footprints can be categorized into two primary types: active digital footprint. Times this is the data you knowingly share online. Examples include posts on social media, emails, comments, or uploaded photos and videos. Times it reflects the content you intentionally create and share with others. Passive digital footprint. Times this is the data collected about you without your direct input. Examples include browsing history, cookies saved by websites, or data collected by apps you use. Times it happens in the background as you navigate the internet. Why digital footprints matter. Digital footprints are permanent. Even if you delete something, it might still be stored or shared by others. Employers, colleges, and even friends often check someone's online presence to learn more about them. A positive digital footprint can create opportunities, while a negative one can lead to problems like loss of trust or reputation. How to manage your digital footprint. Times think before you post. Ask yourself if the content you're sharing is appropriate, respectful, and something you won't regret later. Times protect your privacy. Use strong passwords, adjust privacy settings on social media, and avoid oversharing personal information. Times verify before sharing. Before posting or sharing information, check its accuracy to avoid spreading misinformation. Times delete unnecessary data. Regularly review your online accounts and delete content or profiles you no longer use. Times be respectful online. Treat others kindly in comments, posts, and messages. What you say can impact your reputation. Building a positive digital footprint. Creating a strong, positive digital presence is important. Share educational or inspiring content, participate in meaningful online discussions, and support others in your community. Avoid harmful activities like cyberbullying or sharing offensive material. The connection between digital footprints and good citizenship, just as being a good citizen involves contributing positively to your community, maintaining a responsible digital footprint helps create a safe and respectful online environment. Your digital actions affect not only you but also those around you. Your digital footprint is a reflection of your online identity. By being mindful of your actions and making positive contributions, you can build a digital reputation that aligns with the values of good citizenship. Remember, the internet never forgets, so always act with integrity and responsibility.